Hello everyone. Let's have a look on the new cue card which is repeatedly asked from the students, and the cue card is: describe an area of science that is interesting for you, what it is, how you learned about it, why you are interested in it. Let's discuss the answer now. Our first point is what it is. Being a philomath, I love to learn various subjects. Although I have gained much knowledge about distinctive areas of science, here I am going to talk about a specific area of science in which I have a keen interest. It is none other than environmental science. Let me tell you the meanings of difficult words now. Philomath means a person who loves learning and studying. Distinctive means different. Here I made a complex sentence using although, which is extremely beneficial for your speaking module. You should also make such sentences in your writing module to improve your grammatical range. I have chosen environmental science because it will be easier for you all to speak about it, and part third of the speaking, that is follow up section, will also depend on the answer you give. So let's move to the second point now. Our second point in the cue card is how you learned about it. I vividly remember those days when I was in the senior secondary. A new subject was introduced in our school curriculum, that was environmental science. Though our class teacher kept on encouraging us to study it, but to be honest, I never gave a serious thought to it that time. Only after finishing school, I realized the prominence of this subject. Not only does it deal with our surrounding, it also provides remedial measures to overcome environmental issues. As I told you previously, vividly means clearly. Instead of saying school curriculum, you can also use simple wording like school syllabus. Even in this point, I made a complex sentence using not only but also. Wherever you use and, you can make use of not only but also. Now we will discuss the next point. The point is, why are you interested in it? I am into this area of science due to a plethora of reasons. Firstly, I am a nature lover, and when I study it, I feel as it promotes love and respect for nature. Also, it enlightens everyone about the issues related to our environment that are jeopardizing the life of all human beings as well as flora and fauna. Moreover, environmental studies tend to play a significant role in saving our world from destruction. I am into means I am interested in. Instead of a plethora of, you can say many, several, a number of, a flux of. Enlightens means aware, and the meaning of jeopardizing is to put into danger. Flora and fauna means are flowers and plants. Since the whole world is confronting the problem of environmental degradation, by studying it, everyone can gain vast knowledge regarding the causes, effects, and remedies. Despite the fact that it is not a cup of tea for everyone to read and analyze it, I believe that it is the need of the hour to study it. Only then we can mitigate the environmental problems. So, due to all these factors, I am keenly interested in this area of science. Remedies means solutions. A cup of tea is an idiom which means easy. I said that it is not a cup of tea, which means it is not easy. Mitigate means remove, diminish. If you find this video informative, please like and subscribe and also share it with your friends.